In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify with Instagram. Integrating your Shopify store to Instagram is going to be helping you to social selling and reach a wider audience. Whether you're starting out or looking to expand your online presence, this guide will walk you through the process of linking your Shopify store to Instagram. Let's boost your social media marketing by hiring the power of Instagram. Shopify to Instagram allows you to tag products in your Instagram posts and stories, making it easy for followers to shop directly from your store. Make sure that you have a business profile on Instagram and an active Shopify store. What you wanted to do to make this a little bit much more easier is just to type the business meta.com. Once you're in here, what you wanted to make sure is that you have your active online store already been added into another. So here is my Instagram section and here's my Shopify. Let's move on into setting up your Instagram shopping. Alright, so first of all, let's set up Instagram shopping. This feature requires you to have a product catalog, which you can create into Facebook Business Manager. Link this catalog into your Instagram business profile, so you can go here into the Meta Business Suite. I can go into all of the tools, and here what you wanted to do is to focus a little bit down here where you can see the sell products and service commerce. So the product catalog is essentially for tagging products in your Instagram post, adding Instagram as a sales channel into Shopify. This is going to be the key to appear here in the commerce manager section. So if you go directly into back, of course, into your Shopify, what you wanted to do is to go directly into online store sales channel. And here what I wanted to do is to type Meta. Inside here is going to be taking us into Shopify App Store. Or what you wanted to do is to go directly into Facebook and Instagram. And once you're here, let's go into install, and that we are in here. Just wait a few seconds, hit the install and add to the sales channel, and then you're going to be actually good to go. That's basically how you can connect Shopify with Instagram. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.